Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Always do your best. Take action on your ideas. Doing your best means to take action. You can have many great ideas in your head, but without action upon that idea, there'll be no manifestation, no results, and no reward. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 313, Nasdaq's down 108, S&Ps are down 41, gold contract down $8.10, trading at $1,331 an ounce. Silver down 43 cents, $19.24 an ounce. Copper down a penny and a half at $2.08 a pound. Light sweet crude off a $1.70, $45.92 a barrel. Bonds, you get the 10-year note down 11.6, 130.11. 30-year bond off a full point, 19 ticks, 166.27. What you have with the bonds, folks, the bonds rang the bell basically. On Wednesday, we had the bonds try to get to the top of the consolidation, failed on price, couldn't handle it. Goes south yesterday, wide price spread, accelerated volume. Does the exact same today. Bonds are going lower, yields are going higher. King dollar. King dollar up 309 ticks, trading at 95.37. King dollar wants to go up and trade to its July high, which is the 97.50 mark. We have the euro trading at $1.12, and the yen is at 102 3/4. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world? In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Well, guess what, folks? We've been in the same place since the July 14th area. Well, guess what? In 4 hours, it just took back everything. We're back actually under the July 14th consolidation, and we got what? We get monster volume. The door is never big enough when everyone wants to get out, and guess what? They're trapped like rats at the high. With 152 million on the way down, that's after making a high with 76 million. We're going to end up doing maybe 175. This SPY right now is on its way down to 210. Right now you're at 214.21. NDX 100, same type of setup in the NDX 100. What do you have with the NDX? NDX, we're back to the July 27th trading day, 4 or 5 hours. You're down $2.40. You're trading at $114, and same type of situation. 39 million shares are coming out of the market. I suspect the Qs are going to start making their way back to 111. And in both cases, meaning in the S&P and in the Q, what they'll do, I suspect first, is that they're going to go where they had broken topside from in July 11th. And we'll see how fast and furious you can get down into those levels. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold contract trading down 820. You're at 1333, and this is not bad compared to what the equities have done. What you have here is this, however, with gold. Gold couldn't make it to a swing point. Wednesday, great day in gold. You had the wide price spread, you had the volume, but guess what? Didn't make it to a swing point. That is saying that someone was up there selling, and at swing points, that's where the market talks, walks, and squawks. Bottom line, gold's going to make a run down for the lowest swing point of September 1st. At the at the 1305 area, and we'll see if, in fact, it wants to blow that away. Now, let's go over to the bond market. So, go to notes first. What you're going to see is this. The 10-year is trading down 11.6, 130.11. You broke the consolidation, broke the bottom of the consolidation. This is saying that we're on the way to 130. We take the 30-year. What you're going to see is this. 30-year is down 1.5 points, blew away the consolidation we're in. You're trading at 168.14. That is now on the way down to the 165.25 level. So bonds want to continue lower. We are getting wide price spread, accelerated volume in the bond market, and you're getting a continuation of that. If we go over and we take a look at the TLT, which is the ETF for the 20-year bond fund plus, you're going to see that you came down with volume yesterday. We did 14 million shares. It blew away the swing points today. We are 9 million shares. That's going to have the volume also. The TLT is on its way down to 132. Right now, you're at 135.60. King dollar. What do we have with King dollar? Let's go take a look at King dollar. So as bonds go higher, bottom line, King dollar, as bonds go lower, higher yield, you have King dollar wanting to move to higher price. And King dollar right now is trading at a price point of $95.37. Your first swing area that it wants to go after is the high that was generated out here August 31st. That number is the 96.25. What I expect you're going to see is that King dollar is going to go after the 97.62 area, and that number is the July high. Now, I'm going to put the King dollar on a continuous contract. The reason I'm going to do that is to show you, as we get up to this level, so you can make the case on a trend basis that when King dollar went topside on the 24th of June, you can make the case that King dollar actually wants to go up to 100. So you want to keep your eye on King dollar in a big way. The first swing that we have to get by is 97.58. If King dollar goes to 100, folks, okay, this market's going to take conniptions because the market is as the market was years ago. It cannot stand King dollar. Just can't handle it. Doesn't like it. All of the above. Silver. We take a look at the silver market. What we have with silver out here is this. Silver right now, silver's trading at a price point of $19.17. Silver also didn't take out its higher swing with volume. Now we're going to go test the lowest swing of $18.40. And we'll see if they have any juice in order to get down into that area, number one, and then take that area out. We take a look at the small caps. What do we have with the IWM? IWM also getting taken apart. IWM in 4 hours has just given back all the trading since August 5th. We have 38 million shares coming off that high. That's after you made a high out there with 16 million shares. And what you're going to see out here, and this is where the ETF structures are very dangerous. They're great when they're going up, and they're dangerous when they're going down. And what it is, folks, is this, is that every time you have equities that sell inside the ETF structure, guess what? The ETF structure has to sell. As the ETF structure has to sell, what ends up happening? They sell the equities that are inside the ETF structure. Dangerous market right now. Make sure you get your stops in. This is Tom O'Brien. This is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll be coming right back.